any family bonding with Callie and Kobo. Callie has just decided herself that Kobo is her child now, and she told her she's adopted. How dare she? My poor Kobo. My poor Kobo baby. I feel like if we're gonna do a collab is free, there's gonna be some fights, and then Kobo will be like, "Stop fighting over me, yeah." Mommy, Daddy, you're fighting. Callie brought this upon herself though. The fact that she called herself Kobo's dad after she was already my daughter automatically makes us parents now. So it wasn't was not my idea. Was not my idea. No. I was her mommy first, okay? Me. It was me first. You're making yourself the father? Okay. Then don't run away. Then you have to take responsibility for your claims. If you claim you're her daddy, adopted, whether it's adopted or not, does not matter. Then you have to take the responsibility and not run away and buy milk or whatever. What the fuck? The only time we take care of her is for a collab, for a stream collab. Well, what about she wants a fucking pony? Huh? Why does it only have to be the mommy who gets her the pony and the violin? Huh? Why do I always have to? I've raised this child for so many years alone, and suddenly you show up and you're like, she's my child now too. Huh? That's not okay. That's not okay. Take responsibility then. But don't take away my custody.